In the news, fuel truck has exploded in Congo, and with the fuel that came from the truck, it was on a rural road. When it exploded, 230 people died, 61 of them children, 36 of them women. It's a small little ad. I mean, more people has died in this one explosion than in the whole BP story that's happening in the Gulf. Yet, who knows about this? It's fascinating. Why are some lives worth more than others? Equal money system and the Equal Life Foundation will rectify this obvious, glaring inequality in the world. Just because people are in a poor country and they're worth no money, they're also worth nothing as life. That is disgusting. I mean, I'm sure that is what the Bible taught us, isn't it? I mean, that's what we're living. Equal Life Foundation. Research that.